Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you saw in the title, is going to be our May Boxycharm unboxing and try on haul. I asked, I think last month, if you guys wanted me to bring these videos back, because I used to do these in the past, and you guys said yes, please bring these back. Also, I dyed my hair. I went lighter. We did some highlights. So yes, my hair is lighter. We're going blonde again, trying to get on that MILF status before the baby gets here. You know, if you have me on Instagram, you know what happened with this video. This video was supposed to go up on the 7th of the month. Give me a second. I'm out of breath. It happens when you get pregnant, you start walking and you just get really out of breath out of nowhere. It's really weird. So as I was saying, all Boxy babes are not allowed to show any of the contest from Boxycharm until the 7th of the month to give Boxycharm a chance to share with you guys what will be coming in the box, and they just don't want us to spoil any of the surprises for you guys until the 7th once all the products have been released. So I got my box and I was like, wow, my box came so early this month. That's crazy. I'm gonna pre-film this video and post it right on the 7th so that everyone can see it on the 7th. I filmed the video, everything's great. I start editing it. While I'm editing, I get a package to my door and I'm like, okay. I get the package and it's a Boxycharm and I'm like, why is there another Boxycharm coming this month? This is so weird. I filmed with the March Boxycharm, not the May Boxycharm. I thought the March, when I saw an M and I thought March was May, and I even thought like, why did I get my box so early? No, that was just the box from like a couple months ago that I had just never opened. So guys, pregnancy brain is a real thing, so you know. So that's why this video is coming a little bit later, but my intention is to get these videos up for you guys closer to the 7th of the month. Today is the 14th, so I should have this up for you guys between the 15th and the 16th. But hopefully next month I'll be able to get it up earlier in the month for you guys, and we won't have any more situations as this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this month's little theme is Make Waves. And we got, well, I know that there's a few different variations of the box. I watched Kathleen Light's video and she got like a Glam Glow facial wash, like a cleanser. I didn't get that. Instead, I got the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water. Olivia just came in here, those were the little feet. And this retails for $34. It says, submerge your skin in your new oil-free, refreshingly light water cream infused with skin-nourishing coconut water. First Aid Beauty's Hello Fab Coconut Water hydrocharges your skin with a burst of electrolyte-rich moisture for softer, smoother, healthier-looking skin. All sounds fabulous. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a little package like this. This is also a full-sized product. And then this is what the packaging looks like. So I went ahead and cleansed my face right before I put on my makeup. All I have on is base, a little bronzer, a little highlight, and eyebrows. That's it. Oh, and obviously concealer, because there's no face really products in this box. But I used this almost like a primer. I cleansed my face, I threw this on, and then I went ahead and applied my base directly on top. So let me give you my thoughts on this little baby. So when you first open it, it smells really good. It smells really nice. It smells really refreshing. It has like a little bit more of like a watery, like gel type of like consistency, which I really love in a moisturizer. I don't like thick moisturizers. I like more water-based moisturizers. My two favorite moisturizers are either the Clinique Moisture Surge or the Laneige Sleeping Water Mask. Oh, so nice. They're so hydrating in all the right ways. It doesn't leave like a film on your skin. And this has a very, very, very similar texture because again, it's a water-based moisturizer. So I really like the texture. I will say that when you first apply it, it feels really nice. It smells really good and coconutty, but then all of a sudden it has this weird after smell. And I was like after like it sinks into your skin, I was like smelling my hands and I was like, what is that smell? And I realized it smells kind of like weed. Like it has like an after scent of like marijuana. And I was like, does this have CBD in it? Like, does this have something in it? And I started reading all the ingredients and I was like, no, I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, but like it's happening. Like when you first apply it, it smells like coconut, but then the smell, it gets like this weird like marijuana-y type smell after, but then it just goes away and it's completely scentless after a second. It felt really good on the skin. It didn't leave like a thick film on my face like some other moisturizers can. It really just kind of like absorbed into my skin. However, I do feel that my Clinique moisturizer and my Laneige moisturizer are more hydrating than this. That's the thing with these water-based moisturizers, that sometimes, since they're so water-based, it absorbs into your skin and it's like, that's it. Like your skin sucks it up and there's no moisture left. And that's why I like the other two that I mentioned, because I feel like they leave my skin feeling moisturized. But this is like my skin absorbed it so fast that then I was like, okay, now my skin is dry, like I need to put more. So it's not horrible. but it's not my favorite moisturizer. I think it's really nice. I think it's a nice consistency. Maybe just like as a quick little refresher during the day, you can throw it on. But I did really like the consistency of it. I thought it was a very nice consistency. I thought it felt really nice and cooling on the skin. I just wish that the moisture, the feeling of moisture lasted just a little bit longer. So the next thing that came in this month's box is so exciting. I was actually gonna purchase this myself, and I just haven't really ordered makeup in a while just because I get sent like a decent amount of makeup and I just have so much makeup accumulated, and I haven't been wearing crazy amounts of makeup lately. I've really just been refilling my makeup kit, what I use on clients, but I'm like, I really need to start ordering makeup again because a lot of good stuff's come out. So when I saw that this was coming in the box, I got really excited. This is the Alamad Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and it retails for $22. If you guys don't know, the owner of Alamad Cosmetics is Gabby. She was the in-house makeup artist for Boxycharm for quite some time, so I've gotten to meet her quite a few times. She's super awesome. She's super cool. This product, I already used it. I used it on Saturday for my gender reveal. It's beautiful. It's freaking amazing. I absolutely love it. They're like the most beautiful blushes. First of all, look at this color scheme. You get like your peachy blush, your more pinky blush, and like a little bit of a deeper blush. This is the one for medium skin tones, which is, you know, what I would need. She has one for light skin, for medium skin, and for dark skin. This is the medium skin, and they have like the perfect amount of sheen in them. Because a lot of times blushes that have too much sheen, you apply it and it kind of like enhances your pores and makes your pores look really big. And these have the perfect amount of sheen that it gives like a nice soft glow to your skin, but it doesn't enhance any pores or texture on your face, which is absolutely amazing. The packaging is super cute. It looks like water, and it comes with a mirror, which makes me very happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply, I'm gonna apply a little bit of Seclusion, the first one, the lightest one, right to the apples of my cheeks. And these blushes also, like they have the perfect amount of pigment. You know how some blushes are so pigmented that you go to apply it and you're like, whoa, I look like a rag doll. And then some like have like no pigment and you're like, oh my God, I keep applying, keep applying, keep applying. These have the perfect amount of pigment that you never put too much on, but you always have enough. That makes sense. They're just like really, really, really nice blushes. The formula is so great. Gabby killed it with this. Gabby, kudos to you, girl. I love it. It's awesome. And I do believe that everyone is receiving an Alamad Blush Trio. So the next thing that came in the box is from Siot London, and it's the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. I don't know what color mine is. I already started opening it. Okay, so mine is in the shade. Is there a shade on here? No. Is it in the box? It says, it's not on the packaging of the actual product, but it's on the box. It's in the shade Cupid. And this is a metallic eyeshadow. Fallout free. Okay, let's swatch it. Ooh, wow. This is how it swatches. So it's like purple with like a bunch of gold glitter. It looks gorgeous. Let's see what happens when you blend it out. Okay, so when you blend it out, you kind of lose that purpliness, and it's just kind of like a lot of gold glitter, but it's really pretty. I'm just gonna very quickly throw something into my crease and then we'll apply that. I'm actually gonna go in with the Alamad Blush Trio. I'm gonna go in with Seclusion, the same color that I put on my cheeks. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in my crease very quickly. Okay, so just like a little something in the crease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the Siot Eye Metallic, what is this called? The Eye Luster Cream Shadow. And I'm just gonna apply this directly with the little applicator. I'm just putting this all the way across my lid. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. And I'm sorry that I'm using my middle finger. Every time I shoot with Boxycharm, they get so mad at me. They're like, stop using your middle finger. I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't mean it in a bad way. This is just the finger that puts the perfect amount of pressure to blend stuff out. Like, I'm sorry, you know, I'm so sorry. Wow, this is really pretty. I like this. You see all the glitz and glam? It looks really good. I really like it. I'm gonna do the other side really quick. Yeah, when you first apply it, you see a lot of the purple, but then as soon as you blend it out with your finger, you kind of lose that purpley tinge. So maybe if you apply like a thicker layer of it, you can keep some of that purpliness in there. I don't know. Whether you put this on its own or put it like as a topper on top of another eyeshadow, It's really pretty. I really like it. If you guys saw me do it in real time, like it blended out super easy. I find that a lot of times with these like metallic shadows, sometimes you try to blend it out with your finger, either they get really patchy, they dry super fast, you can't blend it out, they're hard to work with. This was super easy to use and it looks really pretty. I feel like I'm gonna use this a lot like on top of eyeshadows, just add like some glitz and glam when I want to. Oh, now it like completely dried down. Okay, I like it. I like it, I'm into it. I think it's pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. Moving on to the next product. The next product is the Pure Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Curler. So let me tell you about eyelash curlers, guys. Eyelash curlers really freak me out. Why? I don't know. They just really scare me. They always have, and I don't like using them. I caught my skin one time with one of these and it was just horrible. But we're gonna use it today. My fear has kind of gotten a little bit better over time with these, but I went through like a little phase there that I really was scared of them. I never really use eyelash curlers simply because I have such little short lashes, and I feel like when I curl my lashes, like initially it makes a difference, but throughout the day or throughout like, you know, the night or whatever after I curl them, they kind of just go straight again and kind of like go limp. And my eyelashes are so itty bitty that I just feel like mascara isn't really a thing for me. Like I either wear no mascara or I wear lashes. Like there is no really like in between. It's like all or nothing for me. So I don't really use eyelash curlers, but we're gonna give it a whirl and see. Like see, can you see the difference there? Like how much, like you see a difference when I curl them, but I feel like it never really lasts when I do it. I don't know, but I do like how this is like so iridescent. It's really comfortable to use. I mean, I don't really know what to tell you guys. I'm not an eyelash curler kind of girl. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I actually did get this in Boxycharm. They sent this in Boxy a few months ago. So this is what my eyelashes look like after they've been curled and I applied mascara. I feel like they actually look better than they normally do when I just apply mascara. A lot of you guys are probably watching this like, girl, you don't use an eyelash curler? No, I don't. I don't know why. I should. And the last thing that we got in this month's Boxycharm, that I got in this month's Boxycharm, is the Ariza Opaline Top Gloss, and this retails for $14.99. Oh, I forgot to say that this retails for $18, this little eyelash curler, and the Ciat London Eye Luster Cream Shadow retails for $22. This retails for $14.99. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of this gloss on its own to see what we're working with, and then I'll probably like apply a lip liner just to give the lips a little more color, because this looks pretty sheer. Wow, it has a very strong coconut scent. If you don't like coconut, you will hate the way this smells. I like coconut. It doesn't necessarily bother me, but if you are someone that doesn't like coconut, you're gonna hate how this smells. Okay, so this is like really iridescent. It's like really purpley. Can you see that? I mean, it's fun. I probably wouldn't wear it with like what I'm wearing right now, but it's fun. It's cute. I'm into it. I'm gonna go get like a neutral colored lip liner and wipe this off, and we'll put the lip liner on and put this on top of the lip liner to see how it looks. Give me a second. This also has a little bit of like a sticky consistency. I'm like, I don't know if you can see. It's like not really coming off. Like it really sticks onto your lips. Interesting. It's like a long wear lip gloss. Okay. So I'm just gonna, this is NYX Nude Beige Lip Liner. Okay, so I just kind of very quickly filled in the outer edges and the edges of my lips with this lip liner. And now let's go ahead and apply the gloss again. So I don't hate the gloss, it's just not really something that I would wear with this whole look that I have going on, this like kind of peachy, simple look. But I don't hate it. It's just kind of like a metallic gloss, has a little bit of a purple shift, so it's very fun, you know, with a different type of look. I like it, I think it's cool, and it seems like it's very long wearing. It has like a stickiness and it wasn't coming off very easy. So long wearing glosses are always nice. If you look at my eyelashes, you can already see that they're not as curled, they're kind of falling, which is the issue that I used to have in the past, like when I was in high school and stuff, which is why I just stopped using an eyelash curler, because it was like an extra step that seemed like it worked, but then as time went by, it didn't. So whatever, that's just my experience with lash curlers. And so you guys know, because I know a few of you guys will probably ask, For my base today, like for my foundation, I am wearing the Beauty Blender foundation. It was the first time I ever tried it out today, and I really like it. I think it looks really good. It's got really nice coverage. It's got like a medium to full coverage, but it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look thick. It's very skin-like in the finish, that it's not super glowy, but it's not ultra, ultra, ultra matte. It's kind of like a nice satin in between. I really like it. I think it looks really good, so I'm into it. I gotta keep testing it out and see how it wears throughout the day. So when you add up all the contents of the box, it comes out to a whopping $110.99, and you pay 20 something dollars. I think it's like 22 bucks. I always forget how much the subscription is. I think it's like 22 or $25 for this. But basically, moral of the story is that you're getting a whole lot for your money. And I think that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos. And if there's anything specific you want to see, just go ahead and comment below and let me know what it is. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.